Could the dawn of superintelligence be just around the corner? Welcome to the Artificial Intelligence News Daily Brief, your go-to podcast for the latest in artificial intelligence news and discussions. Today is Monday, January 6th, 2025, and I'm your host, Michelle. Let's dive in. In a recent post on his personal blog, OpenAI Chief Executive Officer Sam Altman revealed that the company is shifting its focus from artificial general intelligence, or AGI, to the pursuit of superintelligence. Altman expressed confidence in OpenAI's ability to build AGI as traditionally understood, and he highlighted the potential of superintelligent tools to significantly accelerate scientific discovery and innovation. According to Altman, superintelligence could be a few thousand days away, and its impact more intense than people think. OpenAI defines AGI as highly autonomous systems that outperform humans in most economically valuable tasks. There's also a financial benchmark tied to this definition, generating at least $100 billion in profits. Once achieved, Microsoft, OpenAI's close collaborator and investor, will lose access to its technology, marking a pivotal moment in their partnership. Altman remains optimistic about artificial intelligence agents joining the workforce and transforming company output this year. However, challenges remain. Current artificial intelligence systems are prone to hallucinations, mistakes, and high costs. Yet, Altman is confident these hurdles can be overcome swiftly. OpenAI acknowledges that successfully transitioning to a world with superintelligence is far from guaranteed, and that they don't have all the answers, particularly regarding steering or controlling superintelligent AI to prevent it from going rogue. Interestingly, despite these challenges, OpenAI has disbanded teams focused on artificial intelligence safety, leading to the departure of several key researchers. Critics have raised concerns about the company's prioritization of commercial ambitions over safety. Altman, however, points to OpenAI's track record in addressing these criticisms, emphasizing the company's commitment to broad benefit and empowerment. As artificial intelligence technology continues to advance, the opportunities for its large-scale application have expanded significantly. However, alongside these positive advancements come serious concerns, particularly regarding its use in modern warfare and the development of lethal autonomous weapon systems, commonly known as killer robots. These systems leverage artificial intelligence to identify, select, and eliminate human targets without requiring direct human intervention, raising profound ethical, legal, and security questions. In his latest report on current developments in science and technology and their potential impact on international security and disarmament efforts, United Nations Secretary-General Antonio Guterres highlighted the risks associated with the inability of artificial intelligence to uphold the principle of distinction. This principle mandates the protection of civilians by distinguishing them from combatants in compliance with international humanitarian law. Since artificial intelligence picks up inadvertent biases from the underlying data sets used to train it, the criteria that will inform who is and who is not a combatant or target will likely involve factors including gender, age, race, and ability, according to a preliminary report by a United Nations expert group. The potential of artificial intelligence to revolutionize robotic drone swarms presents another particularly dangerous development. Current armed conflicts have shown the increasing utilization of drones on the battlefield, not just for surveillance and intelligence tasks, but also for offensive missions. With the help of artificial intelligence, these low-cost robots could form highly autonomous swarms capable of striking multiple targets simultaneously on a large scale, possibly challenging the principles of proportionality and precaution under international humanitarian law. A primary concern is the challenge of maintaining meaningful human control over these systems, as direct control over swarms is both impossible and counterproductive, since the individual units need to rely on autonomous decision-making to form a swarm effectively. Since machines cannot be held responsible for breaches of international law, any decision by lethal autonomous weapon systems must ultimately be traceable to a human. In his new agenda for peace, the Secretary General laid out recommendations on the governance of artificial intelligence and autonomous weapons systems, including calling for a legally binding treaty to prohibit lethal autonomous weapons systems that function without human control or oversight, to be concluded by 2026. At September's Summit of the Future, member states reiterated the need for further cooperation and agreed to continue talks with the aim to develop an instrument, without prejudging its nature, and other possible measures to address emerging technologies in the area of lethal autonomous weapons systems. This process is to be facilitated by the group of governmental experts on emerging technologies in the area of lethal autonomous weapons system. With artificial intelligence's capabilities progressing rapidly and unpredictably, these efforts present a path towards global governance of this emerging technology, making use of artificial intelligence's tremendous potential for good in accelerating progress on the Sustainable Development Goals, while keeping in check the risks associated with its usage in weapons systems. Now turning to Asia, China's Pony.ai is making waves in the autonomous vehicle sector, setting its sights on launching robotaxi services in Hong Kong. This move marks a significant step in the company's global expansion strategy as it joins the ranks of tech giant Baidu in offering driverless taxi services in the city. According to a statement released by Pony.ai, the company plans to kick off its robotaxi services by providing commuting solutions for airport staff at Hong Kong International Airport. While they haven't specified an exact launch date, the company's ambitions to expand into other urban areas of Hong Kong are clear. Pony.ai isn't just focusing on Hong Kong. They're also exploring opportunities in South Korea, Luxembourg, the Middle East, and other countries. This expansion effort follows the company's successful acquisition of robotaxi service licenses in major Chinese cities like Beijing, Shanghai, Guangzhou, and Shenzhen. Meanwhile, Baidu has received approval from the Hong Kong government to conduct trials in North Lantau, signaling a competitive race between these two companies to dominate the autonomous vehicle market in Hong Kong. This competition highlights the broader trend of increasing interest and investment in autonomous driving technologies across the globe. For professionals and enthusiasts in the field of autonomous vehicles, these developments underscore the growing momentum and potential market opportunities in Asia. As companies like Pony.ai and Baidu push the boundaries of autonomous technology, the implications for urban mobility and transportation infrastructure are profound. That's it for today's AI News Daily Brief. As OpenAI shifts focus towards superintelligence, and with the rapid developments in autonomous vehicle services in Hong Kong, 2025 is shaping up to be a transformative year for AI. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, peace.